We're renovating a colonial revival style house built in 1900. We removed the lath and plaster walls and ceilings to run modern electrical, plumbing, and HVAC. However, all original woodwork such as the staircase will be saved and rejuvenated. The 3 steps coming off of the staircase landing needed a safety handrail. Installing a matching newel was the first step in building the handrail. New balusters had to be custom made to match the existing ones. We took measurements and sent them off to our woodworker to have them made on a lathe. Once made, we installed the balusters and handrail to the newels. The newly made balusters are an exact replica of the original. We applied a stain that was color matched to the original finished color. Once stained, the new handrail, balusters, and newel blended in perfectly. We replaced the double-hung window at the bottom of the staircase with a new window that has tempered glass for safety and meets code requirements. The main handrail had years of grime, which we used a sander to remove. Once sanded, the handrail was stained to return to the original look as it was in 1900. We then used a hand sander to remove the old stain from the stair treads. Each stair tread and riser was sanded down to the base wood. We also sanded the staircase landing. We then applied the stain by wiping it on and letting it penetrate for 5 minutes before wiping it off. While applying the stain, we wore chemical-rated gloves and an appropriate respirator. We then applied a polyurethane finish. The satin sheen brought out the rich wood color with a slight gloss. Please like and share our video. To follow the renovation of this old house, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.